How to draw a Santa hat for Christmas, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a shape towards the center of the page that looks similar to a cloud. This will be the bottom and the opening of our Santa hat. So far this year, this is our first Christmas drawing, but we do have a Christmas drawing tutorial playlist that consists of drawings from prior years. So if you want to see anything else that is drawn that is not in our playlist, then be sure to comment it down below. And I'll include a link to the Christmas drawing tutorial playlist down in the description of today's video. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that if you're new to the channel, then be sure to subscribe and like today's video because we always upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Nice, so far this is coming along very well. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the top piece of the Santa hat, which will be in between the white ball and the piece that we just made together. To make this piece, we're going to want to use a lot of curved lines, and keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. So a little earlier I mentioned that this is my first Christmas drawing so far this year, but have you drawn anything else besides the Santa hat yet, or do you plan to draw anything else in the future? If so, comment down below. Fantastic! Now we're almost done. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the white puff ball that is attached to this end piece right here. This will also look similar to a cloud design. This is how to draw a Santa hat. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, which is only the color red. But thank you for drawing with me today and see you next time. Merry Christmas! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.